This is more of a wine display. We wanted to capture a few things that Elmwood, this particular manufacturer, had in their cabinet line. One of which is their array of natural woods. They have the largest selection of natural woods I've ever seen within a cabinet line. This rosewood display on the outside, we wanted to create a border of this one small vignette to keep it all to itself. But it's a very interesting concept and design in what we've done here. On the countertop and backdrop, we wanted to incorporate some texture. So we utilized a split face quartzite on the exterior back wall and just a white high gloss marble on the countertop itself. The lighting on this really makes the backdrop of this pop and sparkle within this display. Very popular today are bars and wine areas within your larger, more custom homes. Even in a small area, such as what you're seeing here, you can make a very large visual impact if done right with the right colors and styles, even in a small space.